Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, SquareWave 2. What I have here today is an excellent example of 1950s technology. I've always been interested in the evolution of technology, especially electronic technology, which really began in 1895 when Marconi invented the first practical radio transmitter. I've done a lot of radio videos, beginning with the crystal radio, and so today I thought I would feature something different. A reel-to-reel tape recorder, model 210B, made in 1952 by Webcor of Chicago. For some reason, Chicago, Illinois seemed to be a good place for the manufacturing of electronic products. Admiral, Motorola, Zenith, and Helicrafters were all located there. This baby is built like a tank, weighing in at 42 pounds. Nothing was spared in the selection of materials. This top panel is heavy gauge steel, drop forged. It has a baked on enamel finish. You can't hardly scratch it. The case is heavy duty, reinforced plywood. Very little aluminum, if any, was used in the construction of this recorder. There were no compromises in material or assembly. Quality came first. Profit naturally followed. Back in the heyday of American manufacturing, companies had integrity. They were proud to produce quality products that would last for years. This working recorder is a very good example. Webcor was proud of what they called matched performance. Here's what the Model 210 operating manual says about matched performance. And I quote, "Webster Chicago manufactures the basic parts such as motors, the recording heads, the chassis, etc. Complete control of quality and matched unit performance are assured. This is not possible in units assembled from parts made by several different parts manufacturers." Well, this is certainly true. Many times I have cursed my computer, be it Apple, HP, or Dell, when its hard drive fails. Then I find out that the hard drive was made by a totally different company. This unit has 6 tubes, 2 motors, and 2 recording heads. Recording was half-track in both directions on a 1/4-inch magnetic tape. Monaural, of course, but the sound quality was excellent. Output was 2 watts. Speeds were 3 3/4 or 7.5 inches per second. Maximum reel size, 7 inches. Inside the cover were the take-up reel and the microphone. Normally, a tape recorder would have a row of piano key switches for all the functions. What I find so exceptional about Webcor recorders is the single control that has all 6 functions. It's a masterpiece of mechanical engineering. Here's how it works. Turn the control to the right and you are playing track 1. Turn the control to the left and you are playing track 2. If you press down and turn to the right, you are going fast forward. If you press down and turn to the left, you are going fast reverse. To record, press the little button in the middle and turn the control either to the right or to the left. And you will be recording on either track 1 or track 2. 6 functions, 1 control. Pretty neat. This mechanical marvel was designed on a drafting board with T-squares, triangles, compasses, and drafting pins. No computer help was available. Here are your controls. This is an on-off volume switch. This is a nice tone control that really works. Back here we have your magic eye, which would warn you if your record level was too high and you were overloading. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the magic eye in operation during an actual recording. You want to make sure that the eye just barely closes on the very loudest sounds, otherwise you will be overloading. Down here we have an output selector switch. This would be used if you intended to play your tape recorder through an external speaker or through a PA system. Down in here you have your control for tape speed. This Webcor has 2 tape speeds, 3 3/4 inches per second or 7.5 inches per second. The faster speed gave you better fidelity, but the slower speed conserved on tape. The way you changed the speed was with a common coin, like this. Now we are set for 7.5 inches per second. What do you suppose engineers of the 1950s would say if they saw something like this Sony cassette recorder, which duplicates all the functions of the Webcor and fits in the palm of your hand? They would find it to be a miracle. There are a lot of working 210s up on eBay, which is a testament to how well these machines were made, but they are not selling very fast. Shipping 42 pounds? Yuck. I found this machine in a little antique shop while on a trip through Central California. It came with a collection of musical recordings the previous owner probably made from LPs. These tapes made the find all the more interesting. There's a little handwritten note on one of the tape boxes that says, "Records Edith likes." Was Edith the owner's wife or daughter? I'll sign off today by playing a little bit of this tape.